The Oppo Reno series has always been one of the most loved smartphone lineups, especially for those who want premium design, powerful cameras, and a smooth user experience without necessarily paying the ultra-high flagship price. Now, in 2025, Oppo is getting ready to launch its next big device, the Oppo Reno 15 Pro, and from everything we've seen so far, this smartphone is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Reno models ever. With upgraded cameras, a brand new chipset, improved charging, and a polished design, the Reno 15 Pro could be the perfect choice for Oppo lovers and smartphone enthusiasts who want a balance between style, performance, and innovation. In today's video, we are going to take a deep dive into the Oppo Reno 15 Pro, covering its design, display, performance, software, cameras, battery, price, and everything else you need to know. Starting off with the design and display, Oppo has once again focused on making the Reno 15 Pro look stylish and premium. The phone is expected to feature a slim body with curved edges, a glossy glass back, and an aluminum frame that feels solid in the hand. Oppo is known for its attention to aesthetics, and this time, the Reno 15 Pro is rumored to come in stunning new gradient finishes that shift colors when light hits them from different angles. On the front, you'll get a gorgeous 6.74-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means everything from scrolling through apps, playing games, or just watching videos will look incredibly smooth and fluid. The screen will also support HDR10+ for richer colors and deeper contrasts, making Netflix shows or YouTube videos more immersive than ever. On top of that, Oppo is said to be adding an improved in-display fingerprint scanner that's faster and more secure compared to previous generations. When it comes to performance, Oppo is stepping things up with the Reno 15 Pro. At the heart of this device, we expect the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, one of the most advanced processors built for 2025 smartphones. Combined with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, the Reno 15 Pro will easily handle anything you throw at it, whether it's high-end gaming, multitasking between several apps, or editing videos on the go. The phone will also benefit from an advanced vapor chamber cooling system to keep temperatures low during heavy use. Out of the box, it will run on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, which brings smoother animations, better battery optimization, and enhanced AI-powered features that improve daily use. Oppo's software has always been colorful and customizable, and now it's expected to offer even more personalization options and smart tools to make your smartphone experience more enjoyable. Now let's talk about one of the biggest highlights of the Reno 15 Pro, the camera system. Oppo's Reno series is practically built around delivering excellent photography experiences, and the Reno 15 Pro won't disappoint. On the back, we are looking at a triple camera setup. The main sensor is rumored to be a 50MP Sony LYT-800 sensor with optical image stabilization, which means sharper pictures even in low light. Alongside it, there's an 8MP ultra-wide lens for capturing landscapes and group shots, plus a 32MP telephoto sensor designed specifically for portraits and zoom photography. This telephoto lens is expected to offer high-quality 2x or even 3x optical zoom, giving you more creative options for photography. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera will handle all your selfie and video call needs, and Oppo's AI Beauty and Night Mode features will make sure you always look your best, even in low light conditions. For video, you can expect 4K recording at 60 frames per second, ultra-steady stabilization, and new cinematic filters for creators who love mobile filmmaking. Moving on to the battery and charging, Oppo is once again bringing its super-fast charging technology to the Reno 15 Pro. The phone will come with a 5,000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get you through a full day of heavy use. But what really makes it stand out is the 100W SuperVOOC charging support. With this technology, you'll be able to charge your phone from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, which is absolutely insane compared to most other smartphones on the market. This feature is a game changer for people who don't like waiting around for their phones to charge. And the best part is, Oppo is expected to include the fast charger right inside the box, something many brands have started skipping lately. In terms of additional features, the Reno 15 Pro is expected to offer dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support for a rich audio experience, 5G connectivity for blazing fast internet, Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 5.4, and improved haptic feedback for gaming and typing. It may also include IP54 dust and water resistance, making it more durable in everyday conditions. With Oppo's focus on AI, features like AI-based photo editing, voice enhancement during calls, and smart battery management will also be a big part of the user experience. Finally, let's talk about the price and launch details. The Oppo Reno 15 Pro is expected to be officially unveiled in November 2025. The global launch will likely start in China, followed by India, Pakistan, and European markets. As for pricing, early reports suggest it will launch at around 42,999 Indian rupees in India, which roughly converts to PKR 170,000 in Pakistan, and around $550 globally. Of course, final pricing may vary depending on region and storage options, but overall, it seems like Oppo is positioning the Reno 15 Pro as a strong mid-premium device, giving tough competition to other brands like Vivo, Xiaomi, and Samsung in this segment. So, what do you think about the Oppo Reno 15 Pro? Are you excited about its features? Or do you think Oppo should add even more upgrades to compete with other flagships? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more smartphone news, leaks, and reviews.